In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the sending money error issue that you might encounter on PayPal, a common problem where you see a message indicating there's an issue with your funding source. This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to complete an important transaction. So follow along closely and let's get this sorted out quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and head over to PayPal's homepage. Now proceed by clicking on the login button, which you should see at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account, then click Login to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's essential to start with verifying that all your bank and card information is up to date. Double check that the details you have on file, such as expiration dates and account numbers, are accurate and reflect your current banking information. If any card or bank account information has changed recently, you might need to re-link it to your PayPal account to ensure seamless transactions. To do this, navigate to Pay and Get Paid, and then click on Banks and Cards. This will allow you to manage and update your linked accounts and cards with ease. Sometimes transactions can be disrupted if a card associated with your account has expired, so take a moment to check the expiration dates and make sure they're still valid. Also, be aware that PayPal may sometimes require additional security checks to confirm your identity. This is usually triggered by unusual activity or if there are discrepancies that need clarifying. Next, confirm that your email address associated with PayPal is verified. An unconfirmed email can lead to limitations which will affect your ability to send or receive money. To prevent this, go into your settings and ensure your email is confirmed. Speaking of limitations, check your account for any restrictions PayPal might have enforced. These can occur for various reasons, such as security checks or unresolved issues, and they'll typically restrict your capacity to send money. Visit the PayPal Resolution Center. This is where you'll find any specific actions you need to undertake to lift the limitations. By attentively following each of these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and start sending money with ease. If complications persist, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for further assistance. Keep trying and stay patient. It's usually just a matter of locating the right piece of missing information. I'm confident you'll resolve this quickly, ensuring hassle-free transactions in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.